I have LeEco LE2, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Now let's swipe down to power off the device, and it's time to open the tray. The tray is located at the left edge of the device. Let me just show you. So the tray is right here, and you can remove this tray by using some special eject tool or simple paper pin. Here I have paper pin. Let's just press it right here, and you can remove the whole thing from your device. So as you can see here, you can insert the Nano SIM card, even the 2 Nano SIM cards. Let me insert just one with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let's just press it to the end. And here you need to switch on the phone by using the power key. The device is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, now let's just unlock the screen. As you can see here, you've got the internet access. You can also choose the settings. You can choose dual SIM. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.